What's up, everybody? Your girl Centrisa here, owner of Metamorphosis, with one of my favorite clients slash cousin. Her name is Shannon. Hi. Lord have mercy. So we have been working on her hair journey for a few years now, and we are on a new journey as of when did we start this particular one?
Maybe
March.
March. Maybe
I think
March.
March. We are working on restoring her hair in certain areas where she's experienced trauma. Look at this. I wasn't expecting for her to do all.
I want to show the people what it is because Centrisa has been teasing my head to the group and the masses to want to know how we're doing and how we're going. And I just told her today out of left field, this, her serum, I just want y'all to see it and I'm going to pause a bit. She snapped with this. I can't I can't describe it. So I'm using a hybrid of things because I got a doctor, and but she creates this on her own with her ingredients. And whenever I returned from vacation, I didn't take it with me. Shame on me. But when I did it, my hair was soft, smooth, and everything. But most importantly, I got edges again here, here, and my little tender spot is what I refer to it as is closing in some. So we still have work.
We
She
just did this hair and
just
she
did it.
moving it.
Yeah, I'm tearing her nerves up right now as I'm trying to share with you guys that this is something that you need for your hair care. If you want to elevate your hair experience, I strongly recommend Santrisa's, well, excuse me, Metamorphosis Revitalizing Hair Serum. I'm just a
I don't
messenger.
I don't know if I have anything to add to that. So the journey is, we have experienced some hair trauma, referred her to the dermatologist. The dermatologist told her to get Rogaine,
Men's
men's
Rogaine.
Rogaine. So we decided to do a combination of the Rogaine with the serum. Now, the Rogaine was used on certain areas. The serum was done on other areas of her hair. I do have a scope in here, so we've been scoping her hair that is not on the service menu yet. That's something that is coming down the pipeline, and we are seeing growth, as you can see.
Oh, one more thing. Can I talk about this?
Yes.
Okay. This is another add-on service that Centrisa offers at Metamorphosis Salon. This is a scalp scraper. It feels amazing, but most importantly, it helps preserve your blowouts, ladies. Just a messenger.
She really just comes in here ready for that scalp detoxifying treatment and is upset if I didn't charge it.
Yeah,
That and the steam shampoos.
it's a hybrid between the two. I can't pick which one I love the best. But if you want to elevate your hair experience, where do you need to be at? Metamorphosis.
Oh man, I think that's it. But I really just decided to I decided to film this today because she just came in here, just gave such a glowing review of how her hair just came to
Love
life after she
this.
came back from her vacation
Love
with the
this.
revitalizing serum. And
Love
she has
this.
been using this since February.
And I'm a gym girl. Let's go ahead and put that out there. I work out 5 days a week, and this is my hair.
Hmm. And we were seeing results before she went to the dermatologist, but I recommended the dermatologist because we have to have overall results, not just in specific areas. And if you know me well enough and if you've been in the salon, you know that I ask you about your diet, your water intake, and I'm working on my own water intake. Do you work out? What are you eating? Are you taking vitamins? Are you stressed? Are you on medications? Things like that. Because whatever you put in your body comes out through your hair, your skin, and your nails. That is
That's
very
it.
important.
It's facts.
Yes. So dermatologist helped to figure that out. We needed to make sure before I got the scope that the hair would be able to come back. And then once that happened, we put some things into place to put us on that path. And we are seeing really good results. And I'm excited for her to go to the dermatologist.
She is. She's far more excited than I am about going, but that's okay. But that's not about
I
this.
just
That's
want
not
to hear
about this
I
video.
just want to hear what the dermatologist got to say. I know he's gonna be impressed.
But back to my point, Revitalizing Serum is a must for you. She has it at the salon, and she does have a website that you can order this too.
TheMetSalon.com.
Please
I ship
ship
anywhere.
anywhere.
There is UPS, FedEx, United States Post Office, International.
She has you covered all the way across the board. 10 out of 10 metamorphosis.
Okay, I'm done now
No,
because
we're
I
not.
think,
Because you're in Salon Lofts in Charlotte. Now we're done.
Lord have mercy.